We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender. And it's all about the young police from Jamaica, seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yes, as you know, you're looking at your LCD, you're looking at a man, his name is King Jammy. Yes, this won't tell you his correct name. And this video, those of you who know King Jammy, you can let him know that this video is directly to him. And I have some damning information about you, King Jammy, that I would like you to clear up first before it is released for public consumption. And it is not flattering at all. And another caveat, I want you to know that this has nothing to do with the murder of my cousin Bogle. Yeah, Gerald Bogle Levy from Concrete Jam from Jungle. Me and my son. Bogle was born in Big Yard in Jonestown. Yeah, so it has nothing to do with Bogle. And it has everything to do with you. Nothing to do with the Rear Admiral. We soon take care of him. Yes. And you know who we are talking about, the Rear Admiral, being the man we're talking about. This is not a guess, this is something that we have witnessed. Yes, we didn't witness Patrick Roberts behind him, but we smelled the poop inside here and saw him fast foot, and both men were sweating profusely in January 1993. So King Cham is the musical architect who transformed ghetto lives into star. Yes. But anyway, King Jammies, that's his name is Lloyd Woodrow James. This message is specifically for you. King Jammies, one of Jamaica's most influential dub mixer. Yeah, we know your connection when it comes on to criminality and killing people and using people to send threats and stuff like that. You cannot say that you know me, period. Although I used to work at Onsbury. Reason being this, you understand. I'm not gonna. When I say know me, we have never exchanged pleasantry or any conversation, period. I wasn't one of the police at St. Andrews or one of the detectives that would be coming to your office and chatting with you for various reasons. I wasn't one of them. So this message is definitely for you. We know that you're one of Jamaica's most influential dub mixer, legendary sound system owner, and an iconic record producer. Your contribution to reggae and dancehall are undeniable, shaping the industry and leaving a legacy that spans generations. We know that in the music industry, we know that there's a lot of criminality involved in it. Yes, when we say criminality, we talk murders and all kind of things. Most people don't even know. That's where most of the murder is linked to the music industry. However, the purpose of this video is not to discuss your celebrated career, but rather to address a matter of grave significance, one that extends beyond mere music. I have in my possession damning information concerning you and others, information that's so profound that will shake the very foundation of the music industry and send shockwaves through the media world. Let me be clear, this has absolutely nothing to do with my cousin Gerald Bogle-Levy's murder. This is an entirely different issue, one that demands a private and direct conversation between us. When I say private, it means that it's private, just between us. This is not for public consumption. Period. King Jammies, this is not a matter to be ignored. The implication whatever I have uncovered are far-reaching, and you deserve the opportunity to address it before it becomes public. I strongly urge you to reach out to me at the earliest convenience. This is your chance to confront what's coming head-on rather than to be blindsided by its inevitable impact. You know how to reach me. Do not delay. And the reason why I'm doing this, normally I don't do this. Once I have information, whether it's in recording or whatever, I release it. Just like with the Asian man that was in Jamaica supposed to kill the Prime Minister. When I release his video, the recording of him discussing to kill the Prime Minister, it's on the Jamaica Young Police channel. I just release it. But there are things that with you and others, so I'd rather to talk with you first. And this would be not for public consumption. So with also I give the people, the audience, some background about King Jammies, the musical architect who transferred Ghetto Life into star Lloyd Woodward, John James, better known as Prince Jammy or King Jammy. He's not just a legendary dub mixer, sound system owner and record producer. He's a transformative force in Jamaican music, a visionary who has shaped the very fabric of reggae and dancehall. Born on October 26, 1947, his journey from a young electronic whiz in Waterhouse to one of the most influential figures in global music is a testament to his genius, resilience, and deep connections to the streets. But King Jammy's legacy extends far beyond the studio and sound clashes. He has been a savior for countless youths in the ghetto, giving them an escape from poverty, violence, and hopelessness by transforming them into superstars. The kingmaker of the ghetto, before fame and fortune, many Jamaicans, mostly celebrated artists, were just young, hungry talents struggling to make ends meet in the ghettos of Kingston. King Jammies saw potential where others saw struggle. He opened doors for artists who had no other way out, using his keen ear and groundbreaking production skills to mold them into household names. Starting in the late 70s, Jammies took risks by helping rising artists from the depths of Waterhouse and other tough communities and turned them into icons. One of his earliest and most defining moments was producing Black Euro album in 1977, launching one of reggae's most legendary groups. His work with Admiral Beery, Chaka Demus, Lieutenant Stitches, Pinchers in the 1980s helped shape the golden era of dancehall. For many, these artists' life before music meant struggling to survive in rough neighborhoods. Jammies provide them not just with hit record, but with a future. Jammy's greatest contribution to reggae and dancehall came in 1985 when he ushered in the digital era with Wayne Smith, Under Me Sling Ting. Under me sling ting, me under me. This track built a fully digital rhythm. It was revolutionary. It changed the sound of Jamaican music forever. But beyond its musical impact, it changed lives. The digital production era meant that young artists from the ghettos could now record at a fraction of the cost, creating an explosion of new talent that might have otherwise gone unearthed. This was a cultural and economic shift, and at the center of it was King Jammy's, giving ghetto youths a chance to be heard. The digital revolution made it impossible for reggae and dancehall artists to compete globally, leading to international careers for many youths he nurtured. From Waterhouse to the world, throughout the 1980s and 90s, Jammy's production dominated the airwaves, not just in Jamaica, but globally. He continued to work with some of the biggest names, including legendary Dennis Brown, Frankie Paul, and later ZELLE. His ability to fuse old reggae rhythms with new digital sounds ensured that culture evolved while staying rooted in tradition. But more importantly, he kept his door open to the ghetto youth. The studio wasn't just a place to record, it was a sanctuary, a place where young artists could come with nothing but a dream and leave with a song that could change their lives forever. Today, the fingerprint of King Jammy's are everywhere in modern reggae and dancehall. Many of the artists he helped bring to prominence have gone on to inspire new generations, like Bounty Killer, Shabba Ranks. His impact is not measured merely by record sales or hit singles, but the hundreds of lives he has transformed. For the ghetto youth who once saw no future, King Jammy's was a bridge between struggle and success. He turned pain into poetry, poverty into prosperity, and dreams into reality. His legacy is not just musical, it is human, cultural, and revolutionary. Yeah, and Jammy's know the corrupt police them, like one of them cowboy. Play youth with a gun, let me know about it, and Jammy's give cowboy the money, and the case disappear. So we just tell you, although you never talk with, we just tell you, just one thing, a little thing I won't know, but we don't know a whole heap of things, but I don't know if you understand. So the message to King Jammy's, your contribution to the music industry are undeniable. You have changed lives, uplifted communities, and reshaped reggae and dancehall forever. However, there is an urgent matter that must be addressed. I have obtained information concerning you and others. Information so powerful will send shockwaves throughout the music industry and the media world. This is not related to the murder of my cousin, Gerald Bogle-Levy. This is an entirely separate issue, one that must be discussed in private. This is not a matter to take lightly. I am reaching out to you personally because you deserve the chance to address this before the world does. Call me, let's talk. Time is of the essence. You know how to reach me. And as I said, the conversation we'll have is private. It's between us, not the world. So anything you said to me is just between us. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.